If you think your iPhone may have a virus or malicious software, here are some steps you can take to check for potential issues and remove unwanted data. First, open the Settings app and scroll down to Safari. Tap Safari, then scroll down and select Clear History and Website Data. Browsing data, cookies, and cached files can sometimes cause problems or lead to suspicious behavior, so clearing them is a good first step. Next, go back to the main settings screen and tap your name at the top. Then select iCloud and access your iCloud Drive storage settings. Tap Manage Storage to review the files stored in your account. Check folders such as Downloads, Documents, and other stored files for anything unfamiliar or suspicious, and delete any files you don't recognize or no longer need. If you've completed these steps and still believe your iPhone may be compromised, you can back up your device and restore it to factory settings. Before resetting, make sure to create a backup so you don't lose important data such as messages, photos, and app information. To create a backup, go to Settings, tap your name, select iCloud, then iCloud Backup, and tap Backup Now. Once the backup is complete, return to Settings, tap General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone, and select Erase all content and settings. This will completely reset your iPhone and remove all data and installed software. After the reset is finished, you can restore your backup and gradually reinstall apps and files to identify whether a particular app or file may have been causing the problem. If you're still experiencing issues after completing these steps, consider visiting an Apple store or contacting Apple support. They can run diagnostic tests and help determine whether your device has any security issues or other problems. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.